Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gourmet Code. In this video, we're going to show you how to cook the perfect steak. Whether you like your steak rare, medium rare, or well done, the method we're going to show you will give you a delicious and juicy steak every time. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right steak. The first step to cooking the perfect steak is choosing the right cut of meat. We recommend going for a steak that is at least 1 inch thick and has good marbling. Some of the best cuts for grilling include ribeye, strip loin, and tenderloin. If you can, choose a steak that has been dry aged, as this will intensify the flavor. Step 2. Temperature. Before cooking the steak, you want to let it come to room temperature. This will ensure that it cooks evenly. Take the steak out of the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking it. Step 3. Seasoning. Season the steak generously with salt and pepper on both sides. If you like, you can also add other seasonings, such as garlic powder or rosemary. Step 4. Preheating. Preheat the grill or pan to high heat if you're grilling the steak. If you're using a pan, preheat it on medium-high heat. You want the surface to be hot before you add the steak. Step 5. Cook the steak once the grill or pan is hot. For a 1 inch thick steak, cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side for medium rare. For a rare steak, cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. For a well done steak, cook for 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Use tongs to flip the steak and avoid using a fork, as it can puncture the meat and release the juices. Step 6. Rest your steak. Once the steak is cooked to your desired doneness, remove it from the grill or pan and let it rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing into it. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a juicy and flavorful steak. Step 7. Slice and serve. Slice the steak against the grain and serve it with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes. It is now ready to be served and enjoy. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to cook the perfect steak. Now, go impress your friends and family with your cooking skills. We hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thanks.